guys! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I will be sharing with you how you can earn money online with the popular online store called Shopee. Yes, you heard it right. Pwede kang kumita ng pera while shopping on Shopee, diba? So, kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng side job, extra income, single mom, work from home, at kung sino man yan na gustong kumita ng pera, para sa'yo talaga itong video nito. Bago lang ako dito, hindi isang taon pa lang, nakadalawang attempt din ako sa pag-apply dito as a Shopee affiliate, and unang attempt ko na-reject ako, and second attempt syempre meron tumigil, and gusto ko talaga mag-Shopee ang sa doon. And sa pangalawang attempt naman ay nagtagantay na ako na-approve. Mag-apply as a Shopee affiliate. The first thing you can do is to sign up in the Shopee affiliate program. Nandiyan yung link ko sa baba sa description box. Yung referral link ko kung saan ka makakapag-sign up, and click mo lang yung link, and pag nandun ka na pila ka na lang yung required fee. Make sure na meron kang 1,000 followers kasi meron ng apply ko. Wala pa sa 1,000 followers, so hindi nga naka-check after, and napalago ako ng followers din. Second attempt ko with the month of August last year yun. Thanks God naman at na-approve na. Makaka-receive ka ng email naman sa Shopee kung approve ka o hindi. Ayan yung email na ma-receive mo sa amin. Then, once you're approved as a Shopee affiliate, it's time to choose the products you want to promote. Choose products that you are passionate about and that your viewers will love. This will make it easier for you to promote your content. Number 3, promote your affiliate links. After choosing the products, it's time to promote them. You can promote links by creating content such as blog posts, social media posts, or videos that include your affiliate links. Make sure to disclose that you're using affiliate links to comply with the law and build trust with your audience. And step 4 is earn commissions. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase on Shopee, you earn a commission. The more people who click on your link and make a purchase, the more money you can earn. Guys, to increase your earnings, try promoting your products during peak sale periods like 9, 10, 11, 11. These are the time when people are most likely to shop online and make purchases. And that's it, mga ka-Shopee. A quick and easy guide on how you can earn money with the Shopee affiliate program. Don't forget to sign up, choose the right products to promote your links authentically, and earn those commissions. Happy promoting, guys. Good luck.